Hi everyone, welcome to week 12. You guys did a great job in the project 3. I really enjoy watching your webinar video. So you will receive your grades about the webinar video this week. So in the following weeks, we are going to learn something about the social network and we will learn how it will affect our lives. So I'm going to show you the page of week 12. So in this week, we have 4 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this introduction video. The second one is 3 readings. So please read these 3 articles carefully, and then based on all of the readings, you need to give a reflection. So these are the recommendations for the reflection. So the reflection should be at least 300 words. So you need to share your reflection in the Slack reflection channel, and also give one please give at least one feedback to your colleagues. So the next thing is about the final. So I think I know it's pretty early, but I think it's better for you to start it right now. So this is a requirement for the final. Please read it carefully. So that's all for the week 12. Thank you so much for your hard work in the project 3. You guys did a really great job, and see you next Tuesday. Bye.